So today, folks, I'm thinking light, shadow, interesting shapes and contrast. I think I'm going to shoot them black and white, or I might just convert to black and white afterwards. I haven't fully decided on that yet, but see what happens. So yeah, light, shadows, shapes, reflections, people. I'm hoping that the sun's gonna work with me and give me lots of what I want. Using the buildings to help create all of that for me. So without further ado, let's get to it. So I like all these shadows, obviously, that's going on here at the bottom. I'm shooting in black and white at the moment. I think I'll switch it up to color for a second, play with that. See what that gets me. Yeah, let's see what happens from this. Wasn't a bad start. I wonder if I can get someone to walk into one of these pockets of light. Can't really see it, but up ahead there's the famous Wall Street Bull. There are lots of people around. All queuing up to get a photograph at the bull's backside. That's just too funny. So I found this nice little V here of light at the corner. Just sitting there chilling, waiting for something interesting to come along. Somebody interesting. So I'm just taking a wee break, folks. I am sitting outside a church here in Manhattan, and it's a graveyard, no less. The building in the background is the Oculus. Let's take a walk in there. I took this photo there a few years ago. but I'm not sure if I'll take any today or not. And for those of you that are interested in John Wick, actually one of the scenes was filmed in here. I think it was when Common was chasing John, but you might be able to spot it when we go in there and have a look around. So yeah, see you in a bit. I'm pretty sure this part of the Oculus was in the movie. He was running down along. And then this is the walkway that he walked across, ran across. And then he took this escalator downstairs. Yeah.